Hi, boys and girls. This is Samantha. She's my dog. She's going to eat a treat right now. Sam, say hi. Hi. Okay, so I'm here today to read a book to you. And I'm going to put Sam down. Say bye, Sam. Okay, so this book is called I Love Dogs. So this kid has many dogs. You want to count the dogs? Let's count the dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 dogs. Okay, that's the title. Can you touch the title? I Love Dogs. And it's by Sue Stainton and Bob Staake. Okay? Those are the people that wrote and drew the pictures in the book. Look at all these dogs. All right. Ooh, let's see what's going on here. Can you say dogs, dogs, dogs? Here's a dog. I love dogs. All right, what do we do when we're done with the page? That's right, we turn the page. So I'm going to turn the page. Let's see. Strong dogs. Look at that dog carrying that trash can. Look how strong they are. Show me your muscles. Muscles, muscles. Long dogs. Look how long this dog is. Right here, long. Cozy dogs. Cozy dog means they're very comfortable to sit with. Nosy dogs. So this dog is sniffing at the tree. Okay, I'm done with the page. What do? That's right, we turn the page. All right, we got one right here. Lazy dog. Look at that dog, sleeping at the tree. Crazy dog. Oh, that dog is just yapping away. Chasing dog. So this dog is chasing each other. Oh, look at the teeth on this one. That's scary. And that dog is chasing this dog. So they're playing kind of like playing tag. Racing dogs. So these dogs are running. They're trying to see who gets to be number 1. They're running. All right, what do we do when we're done with the page? Yes, we turn the page. So I'm going to turn the page. Speedy dogs. Greedy dog. Oh, look at that dog eating all the food. It's greedy. And look how sad that dog is. Dogs in the snow. Ooh. Dogs that know. So this dog knows to say, please keep off flowers. So this dog knows to not play in the flowers. All right, I'm done reading this page. What do? Yes, we turn the page. I love dogs. Can you say that? Can you read this too? I love dogs. Good job. Good reading. Oh, look, all these dogs. Okay, what do we do when we're done with the page? Yes, we turn the page. This page says, dogs, dogs, dogs. Can you say it? Good job. Let's say it one more time. Dogs, dogs, dogs. Oh, that kid looks really happy with the 2 dogs looking at him. I love dogs. Can you read it now? Good job. Let's read it together. I love dogs. All right, I'm done with the page. What do? That's right, we turn the page. Okay, let's look at the next one. Spotty dogs. Look at the spots on the dogs. It's a spotty dog. Next one, dotty dogs. Oh, look at all the dots on this dog. Winky dog. Oh, this dog is, oh, wrinkly dog. Sorry, it says wrinkly dogs. Crinkly dogs. Look at all the crinkles on the dog. Okay, and it says adopt a dog today. Adopt means have a dog in your house. All right, what do we do when we're done with the page? That's right, we turn the page. Good job, boys and girls. Yappy dogs. Yappy means they're making a lot of noise like this dog. Woof, 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 woof. What does the dog say? Yes, they say woof. Can you say woof one more time? Good job. All right. Happy dog. Look how happy this dog is. Fluffy dog. Fluffy dogs. See how fluffy this dog is? Scruffy dogs. Scruffy means it's kind of dirty. Look at it. It was playing in the trash can. Should we be playing in the trash can? No. What do we do when we turn the page? Oh, I'm sorry. I just gave you the answer. We're done with the page, so we're going to turn the page. Good job. Prowling dogs. Okay, look. He's prowling under the seesaw. He's kind of hiding under there. Howling dogs. Do you want to howl like this dog? They go, oh! Can you howl? Oh! Dogs in the park. Dogs that bark. Woof, woof. Can you bark? Good. Let's bark together. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Good job. All right. Oh, let's count the dogs on this page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Oh no, I got my dog on the table. What are you doing, Sam? We're trying to video ourselves reading this book. Oh man, Sam, can you get off the table? 1 second, kids. I think Sam wants to be on the video. Oops. Sam, come on, silly dog. I think we're just reading books about dogs and she felt a little left out. Oops. All right, Sam, you want to read the book too? Okay, we're done with the page. What do we do, boys and girls, when we're done with the page? Good job. We turn the page. All right, Sam, I'm going to put you on this chair. Or you could be on my lap. Okay. It says, I love dogs. I love dogs. Can you say it too? I love dogs. Good job reading. Look at all these wonderful dogs at the park. Dogs, dogs, dogs. I love dogs. Curly dogs, burly dogs, scary dogs. Oh, look how scary that thing is. Hairy dogs. All right, we're done with the page. We turn the page. That's right. Naughty dogs, haughty dogs, shaggy dogs, waggy dogs. Look at the tail wagging. Trendy dogs, bendy dogs, sniffy dogs, whiffy dogs. Dogs that are famous, dogs that are smart, dogs in the news, dogs in fine art. Dogs that wag tails, dogs that chew bones, dogs in big houses with dogs without homes. Aw, dogs without homes. What do we do about dogs without homes? What should we give them? Let's find out. So we're done with the page. What do we do, boys and girls? Yes, we turn the page. Good job. Dogs, dogs, dogs. I love dogs. See? the dog does not have a home, so now he has a home because this little boy decided to adopt him. Aw, isn't that nice? I love this book. Did you like this book? Oh. Well, I am done with this book. If you can see, I'm going to show you what's sad.